Good morning, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to the vlog, and welcome back to somewhere in the beautiful state of Utah. Like Squad, you guys are looking sharp today. You see what I'm doing? I'm complimenting you early on in the video, so you'll smash that like button. However, I did just notice there's a smudge on the lens. I'm wondering if that's why you guys look so sharp. Here, let me... There we go. Yeah, you're looking about per usual. If you guys have not seen the Audi R8 yet, Clayton Summit Auto Lab, he completed the brushed black vinyl wrap. I got hit. So a lot of things have been going on in the last couple weeks. I just had like the scariest 8 seconds of my entire life, and we're here in a bit of a precarious situation. I was flying the drone while driving on snow and ice at the same time. I'm an idiot, and well, I don't really know how else to say this, but well, I got stuck, but I'm very lucky that there's a snowbank. So this is what happened. You can kind of see the tire tracks right there. I lost traction, and then I slowly started sliding down the hill into this ditch, and luckily the snow embankment caught me, because otherwise, well, I would be down there, and that would be a bad day. Now, it's still a bad day. Well, it's still a good day. It's still a good day, at least right now, because the car's still in one piece. This would be an opportunity for me to use my new winch on the Jeep, but the Jeep isn't here and I don't have cell service. I'm not really sure what to do. I actually haven't tried to get the car out yet because I'm a little bit nervous. This snow, this is hard packed ice. Like, I don't know if I can convey, like, it's well slippery. So yeah, I don't think, you know, I made another mistake. I'm out here on summer tires right now, bald summer tires. I'm an idiot. There's really no way else to say it. This has the potential to go poorly. It could go well though. This is take number 1. Honestly, I don't think I'm gonna get any kind of traction at all. But, well, there we go. That kind of went how we were expecting it to go, which is, well, not very well. The saving grace right now is that the sun is starting to come out and this icy surface is gonna start melting. There's not a lot of snow on the road right now, so I think I can dig it down to bare pavement. We're gonna get out of this, guys. We're gonna get out. Maybe, hopefully. We might not. If we don't, that could be a long day. This is what I deserve for snaking you guys in the last video when I told you the Jeep ran out of gas when it really didn't. We have this like train car over here right here. I'm gonna see if they have any materials that maybe I can use to my advantage. Wearing the Vans, that was the right choice for today. This train car, it has cameras on it. But, well, I'm kind of out here in the middle of nowhere and I'm stuck. As luck would have it, there's a bucket of tools right there. I mean, I'm gonna return it. I'm just gonna borrow one of these shovels real quick. I don't know what else to do. I'm gonna return it, I promise. I'll return it. I'll be back hopefully in like 5 minutes. We'll see. There's a bunch of snow wedged underneath the R8. I think if I can dig all of that out and then get this down to dirt, I should be good. I should be great. We're gonna do this! Guys, we may have just been saved by a hero in a Land Rover. How's it going?
Good, how you doing?
Good. Hold up.
Are you kidding me? The battery's dead for some reason. So the battery's dead. I don't know why. So the steering's locked. Really? I don't know. Battery died. Okay, thanks. Hey, we can make this happen.
Dude, thank you so much. That's good. Folks at Park City are hooking me up. Now my battery's dead, and another fine gentleman has some jumper cables.
From Michigan.
Oh, Michigan. Wow. Okay, so I got my car stuck in a ditch and now the battery's dead. But This is a precarious situation. Thank you so much.
Hey, you're welcome.
This is take number, well, it's too many takes. Please start. What? Come on. Really?
Hey, your lights are coming on. Is your buzzer going?
No, it's just,
You got juice. Your lights went on.
it just says brake fault. Drive carefully to nearest workshop. Gearbox malfunction.
So now, not only is my car in the ditch, it's broken down. We're just gonna try pulling it out and then dealing with the other issues here later.
I don't think yeah, I always hear that stand in my truck doing it.
I'm returning the shovel to the individual who owns this. Thank you. Thank you so much. My poor Audi, we're just gonna leave it right there. I'm gonna get a ride back into town, go get the Jeep, and then I don't know what we're doing from there.
Have a better afternoon.
Thank you, have a good one. A big, massive shout out to Jay. He gave me a ride back to town. Now I'm gonna grab an Uber and go get the Jeep down in Salt Lake City. So fun fact, I've been storing the R8 down in Salt Lake City at a friend's garage, so my Jeep is there now. So gonna Uber down, go get the Wrangler with the winch, then go pick up Clayton Summit Auto Lab, and we're gonna go, I don't know what we're gonna do. It's gonna be curious. Hopefully, the Jeep starts up. Come on, Jeep, make us proud. Yes. Naturally, before we can go save the R8, well, we have to fill up the Jeep with fuel. It's kind of, well, it's pretty much what we do every single time we drive it. 11.8 miles to the gallon, baby. We just arrived here to Summit Auto Lab. Clayton has generously offered his support for this recovery mission. The sun is starting to set, so, well, it could be dark. And yes, my R8 is sat in a ditch, just abandoned, just sitting there casually for anybody to take. What's up? What's up? What's up? Did you miss me? You know you did. You know you missed me. Yeah, you missed me, didn't you? I haven't seen you forever. And so this is Clayton's latest project. Just did some PPF film on this sick S3. Clayton just said I didn't seem very excited. Can I can have one?
Yeah, you're gonna have the whole sleeve.
The whole sleeve?
Yeah. The whole row.
I haven't eaten all day because I've been sat in the ditch for 4 hours. We're returning to the scene of the crime. Hopefully, the car is still there and nobody stole it. There it is. I can only imagine what people were thinking. They came across an abandoned Audi R8. Okay, so I think if we park the Jeep up right here, we should be able to winch it. We're hopefully gonna be able to get the car started up. The goal is to try to reset the ECU and see if that can like reset the gearbox malfunction issue that's going on. If that doesn't happen, we're gonna try winching the car up to that spot over there and just abandon it for the night and worry about the issue in the morning. So yeah, cross my fingers. Whoa, geez, it's so icy. I nearly just died. What's up, Sal? So Sal's here to help as well. Maybe, just maybe, the car will start up. Nope. This air code going on right now, gearbox malfunction. And then it won't turn over. So we're going to attempt to reset the ECU. It's gonna take about 20, well, it's dropped pretty quickly. Looks like it's gonna take around 20 minutes or so. Basically reset the ECU and hopefully that'll fix our gearbox malfunction. ECU has been successfully recovered. Oh,
Nothing?
no. Are you kidding me? So the car's now in neutral and the battery's dead.
Yay.
But the car's in neutral now.
Oh, so we can start pulling.
So we can pull it at least. Clayton is gonna be manning the winch and our goal is to get the R8 out of the ditch and then slowly, that was unfortunate timing, and then we're gonna slowly drop it down the, whoa, geez, I almost died again. It's so icy.
Jeep moved.
The Jeep moved. That is what we do not want to have happen, is the Jeep slide into the R8. Come on, come on.
Is it moving?
No.
The Jeep's just getting dragged down the hill.
Oh, great. Okay, so we're gonna try changing up the angle a little bit right now. Yeah, like right there. And now just like wedge it straight into the side of the hill. Yeah, there we go. That thing's not going anywhere. This is the new angle that we're working with. We're hoping this is gonna work, but well, it might not. And if it doesn't, that's too bad. He's going to reverse up the hill, and we're going to attempt to straighten out the R8, and then using the Jeep once again, we're gonna slowly let the R8 go back down that hill, and then go get some jumper cables or something like that. I don't know. Okay, I'm straightening it out, straightening it out. In an interesting sequence in the vlog, one of the headlights is freaking out. The battery is so dead that I can't roll up the windows, so we're really abandoning this car. We made a mistake. When we were on the way here, we had left Clayton's shop, probably about 5 minutes ago. I was like, we should have grabbed the jumper cables.
Like, nah.
But instead of turning around, we figured we'd be fine. So now we're gonna head to Walmart and get some jumper cables. Why I don't have jumper cables in my Wrangler, that's for me to know.
And
for you guys,
triggered on.
yeah, you guys to get triggered. So,
Yeah, you'll be fine.
Jeep Nation making you oh, nope, cut that, cut that out of the vlog. That did not happen. See, we're still driving. As I was saying, Jeep Nation, making you proud. Last time Clayton saw this car, it was hit, and then he comes back to Utah, and now it's stuck in a ditch. $9.87, that's the deal of the century. Or do we get the fancy ones for $39.87?
20 feet.
We don't need 20 feet. 12 feet should be plenty.
Booster pack.
Yeah, would be, I do. Yeah, Clayton, I don't want to talk about it. Dude, 98 cents. Mike and Ike's. Charleston Chew. So luckily, the trunk does open up. The battery's not fried. Okay, this is take number 4 right here. Come on, baby. Oh, yeah. Yes, now we're rolling. Listen to that sweet, sweet V8 purr. Goodness gracious, she sounds so good. She's never sounded better. These jumper cables that you see right here, these are going in the Jeep where they will remain forever. Well, I mean, pretty much forever. It's 9 degrees out here. 9. Also, massive shout out to Clayton Summit Auto Lab. If you are not following him on Instagram, go do me a favor, please follow him. He's a hero. He helped me out. He spent his entire evening helping me out of this disaster. The disaster is not quite over because here's the issue.
My feet are in the snow.
Clayton, get him out of the snow. We gotta figure out a way to get the R8 down to the bottom, flip it around, and then get back to Park City. The problem is that these tires have been sitting out here all night. They're frozen, they're rock solid, and we're already starting to slide into this other ditch. So I'm gonna say it, I think we're gonna get it stuck again. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay.
Ready as I'll ever be. You're sliding away.
Okay, am I good?
Yeah. You're good. You don't even need me. Just don't slow down. Just keep it going. All right.
That was in reverse?
Yeah.
Okay. All right, so Clayton's gonna attempt to push from that side while I hit reverse. Okay.
Footing here.
You ready?
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, baby. Okay.
It's totally working. Hey-oh.
Dude, that was unreal. How'd that work so well?
I don't know.
Okay.
There's more traction here.
Okay, so
I'm
we're
not
good.
sliding anymore.
Okay,
It's all
cool.
snow.
Goodness gracious, ladies and gentlemen, I present to you dry pavement. Oh, what an ordeal. But we lived. What an evening, what a morning, what an afternoon, and what an evening. I cannot thank Clayton enough for hooking me up, helping me out in that precarious situation. I can only begin to start reading the comments because, well, how do you say this subtly? I messed up pretty bad. As always, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, like squad, be sure to smash that like button. But just like that, this vlog is over, and I'm out.